Hi, folks. Good morning. Welcome to Wednesday. Um, just a little overview of what's going on today. Pretty straightforward. So hopefully you explored Tuesday, checked out the Cracker Lab. Maybe you noticed that the cracker changed flavor in your mouth. Maybe you didn't. For some reason, it seems to take a long time with me. I guess maybe that says something about my ability to break down starches, something I'm going to consider and think about. Maybe I'll continue to explore. And then checking out the Spit Lab with the whole idea that as our body breaks down food, there's a chemical reaction going on there. We know it's a chemical change because the reaction to the iodine changes, and a property of matter is how it reacts to other things. For example, paper burns, but ash, the stuff I have afterwards, doesn't. They're different chemicals. They have different reactions and reactivity. Scrolling on down, for Wednesday, okay, we're going to kind of dig into the chemical reaction that allows our bodies to finally release the energy that it's gotten from that the sugar has within it. So sugar has that energy inside of it, and finally we're looking to release that energy out into the body, okay, into the cell. And so this is a quick video that kind of explains this idea. This is called respiration. We often think of respiration as breathing. But scientifically, when we think about respiration, we think about the chemical reaction that releases energy that happens within cells. Now, it's connected to breathing because in order for it to happen, I need oxygen. And in order for it to go away, I need to get rid of carbon dioxide as a byproduct of that reaction, and also some water is a byproduct of that reaction. So you're going to look at this reaction, you're going to watch this video, you're going to look at this reaction and answer some questions about this. And then we want you to explore this idea of how respiration within cells and the needs for energy is connected to activity by doing some activities like jumping jacks. And then checking your breath and making some comparisons, reflecting on that, answering a few questions, okay? I'm going to post a question on a Google Classroom today. I want you to answer that question. I want you to see what other people are thinking and what they're suggesting. It's a good way for us to explore and see other people's ideas related around this. Okay, away you go. Good luck.